Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I made this very juicy, very sweet chicken recipe that is so full of flavor. Guys, this isn't your regular chicken recipe. Every time I make this in my home, everyone asks for more and nothing remains. So watch this video to the end, try it for your next dinner, and I promise you will be back to thank me. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to lay out some paper towels and place my chicken on top of it. Then cover with another layer of paper towels. Dab the chicken to remove excess water from the body and then proceed to make diagonal cuts on the chicken like I'm doing in the video. The reason why I'm making cuts into the chicken is so that the ingredients will reach the inner parts of the chicken, because we want every part of this chicken tasting delicious. Another reason why I'm making these cuts is because it will help the chicken cook faster and ensure that every part of the chicken is well cooked. Once I'm done with the cuts, I will spread the chicken out on a chopping board and proceed to spice them up. For the seasoning, I will be using some garlic powder, paprika, chicken seasoning, black pepper, and some salt. You can add a little amount of vegetable oil to help distribute the seasoning all over the chicken. Now rub the seasoning in, flip over to the back and do the same until the entire body of the chicken is well seasoned. Leave the chicken to marinate for 30 minutes, then proceed to cook it. To cook this chicken, butter up a semi-heated pan, then take each chicken and dab on the flour and flip over, making sure that the chickens are well coated in flour before placing them in the pan. Make sure your pan is big enough to contain the number of chickens you are cooking, because you don't want to overcrowd the pan and end up with half-cooked chicken. So if you are using a smaller pan, you will have to cook the chicken in batches. We are going to be cooking this chicken on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes and frequently flipping them over to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. After 5 minutes, add half tablespoon of garlic in between the chicken and use spatula to distribute it around the pan to enable the chicken absorb it. Also add 1.5 tablespoons of honey, half tablespoon of soy sauce, and half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. At this point, turn the heat to the lowest level and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Okay, let's take this time to prepare our vegetables. Guys, please make sure you've already prepared your vegetables even before cooking the chicken. I actually prepared mine before, but for the purpose of this video, let's say I'm prepping my vegetables while cooking my chicken. So to avoid ending up with burnt chicken, you should cut your vegetables before or after cooking the chicken. So for the vegetables, I will be starting with the carrots. Peel the back off and wash the carrots. Then use a grater to shred the carrots. You can choose to cut the carrots into smaller cubes as well. After the carrots, wash and cut the cucumbers into cubes. I am using my vegetable dicer to do this. Also, wash and cut the cabbage. I am combining the green and purple cabbage. Feel free to use any one of choice. If you are using apples, wash and cut them into small bits. I love using apples when I'm making salad, but I ran out of them at home, so feel free to add them because they switch up the taste of the salad. Next, we are going to prepare our salad dressing. For this, I will be adding 3/4 cup of plain yogurt, half cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of honey, half tablespoon of parsley, half tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix this thoroughly until they are well combined and you have achieved a creamy texture. Then set it aside. Now assemble your vegetables in a bowl. Pour in all the vegetables you've prepared. Also add some sweet corn and kidney beans. Mix to combine thoroughly. Now pour the salad dressing all over it and mix well. Your salad should be creamy and rich. Set this aside and let's get back to our chicken. If you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Also, like this video and tell me if you will be trying this in the comments. Thank you so much for your support. Now, as you can see, the chicken is now well cooked and very much golden brown. Also, it has absorbed a lot of the juice around it. But I like to sprinkle the juice all over the top of the chicken like this, just for that extra sweetness that comes with it. But yeah, this chicken is done and is ready to be served. So serve it up like this and enjoy with a chilled glass of Chapman like I love to do. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Feel free to watch my other recipes and I will see you in my next video. Bye!